Hello guys, welcome back to Gards YouTube channel. Today's video we will unbox new Jollibee's Kiddie Meal Warner Brothers Mash-Up Collection toys. This promo started this October 2023 and it's available to all participating Jollibee outlets until supply lasts. In this video we will unbox all 8 toys. So let's get started. First toy that we have is Bugs Bunny as Superman. Up and away. There's Warner Brothers 100 years, celebrating every story. Jollibee Kids Meal. This is how the toy should look like. So you have to attach Bugs Bunny into the base. Press button and watch Bugs Bunny jump up and away. Okay, looks like a fun toy. Let's open it. Warning, choking hazard. Small parts, not for children under 3 years old. Okay, this toy has 2 pieces. So there's Bugs Bunny. Nice detail. Very colorful. Looks like a premium toy to me. Nice logo. Nice Bugs Bunny teeth. Okay, here's the base. And there's a peg hole here. There's a peg. I think this is a launcher. Let's attach Bugs Bunny into the base as per the instruction. Let's press the button here and watch Bugs Bunny jump. Nice. That was amazing. Nice toy. So these are retractable peg. Looks like a launcher built into the base. Very nice toy. Okay, let's get the second toy. I'm excited for the second toy. So you have Lola Bunny as Wonder Woman. Amazonian Shield Spin. So that's how the toy should look like. Okay. Once again, these are 2-piece toy. Attach Lola Bunny into the base. Back view. Rotate knob continuously. And watch Lola Bunny spin her shield like an Amazon. Okay, nice. Can't wait to open this. Okay, here's the base. And here's Lola Bunny. Lola Bunny looks cute. Cute as an Amazon. Okay, her shield is so beautiful. Nice outfit. Okay, there's 2 peg holes for her 2 feet. And here's the base. Let's attach Lola Bunny here. Okay. And there's the knob. And let's try to rotate it continuously. So that's how you play this toy. Very nice. Very colorful. Okay, let's get the third toy. Third toy is Bugs Bunny as Scooby-Doo's Fred Jones in the Mystery Machine. So there's Bugs Bunny in the Mystery Machine. This time we have some stickers to put on the toys. Place sticker on the Mystery Machine. There's the back view and the front view. Insert bats on the rooftop. Nice touch. Bats on your rooftop. Then push Mystery Machine forward. and watch bugs search for ghosts. It's just in time for the Halloween. Let's open this. Okay, here are the stickers. Nice colorful stickers. Here's Bugs Bunny. A very smiling Bugs Bunny. He looks definitely happy. A plain mystery machine. Let's put on the stickers and see what it looks like. And here's, I believe, the butts. Okay, let's put on the stickers. This is how the mystery machine looks like after I put on the stickers. Very nice stickers. It really looks like the mystery machine. As per instruction, if we move forward the mystery machine, wow, that looks cute. Bugs Bunny's looking sideways, searching for ghosts. And that butt at the back is also creepy. It's going up and down. Okay, nice. Very fun toy. Let's get the fourth toy. Fourth toy is Lola Bunny as Scooby-Doo's Daphne Blake in the creepy castle. Nice. Here's how the toy should look like. Again, we have stickers. Apply stickers on the window and door. Back view. Touch Lola Bunny into the base. Again, we have two-piece toy. Push the base and watch Lola Bunny hunt for ghosts. This in time for the coming Halloween. Okay, there's Lola Bunny. I like Lola Bunny's hair color. She definitely looks like Daphne Blake. So cute. Nice. Let's get the second piece. Or the castle. Yeah, this looks creepy with the gray color. Very nice touch. Okay. And here is a sticker. Let's put it on. This is how the creepy castle looks like after we put on the stickers. Look at those creepy eyes and creepy looking clown. Reminds me of Pennywise. Yeah. Okay, let's attach Lola Bunny. There's the peg hole. There's the peg on the base of this piece. Okay, let's make sure that Lola Bunny is secure. Okay, that's right. So when you push this part of the base, Lola Bunny is facing out and the creepy eyes and the creepy clown shows up. And we pull this part. Lola Bunny shines his flashlight on the creepy castle and doesn't show anything. That's why Lola Bunny looks frustrated and somewhat angry, not finding a ghost. Okay, this toy is definitely cute. Now you see me, now you don't. Nice toy. Let's get the fifth toy. The fifth toy is Bugs Bunny as Fred Flintstone, musical star of Bedrock. So apply sticker on the jukebox. Again, we have stickers. Attach Bugs Bunny and microphone stand into the base. Here's how the toy should look like. This is how you play the toy. So there's some magnetism here. Place the jukebox behind Bugs Bunny. Then move him forward. Watch him dance like Fred Flintstone. Nice. Let's open this. Okay, here's the sticker for the jukebox. Here's the jukebox. Here's the base. And here's Bugs Bunny and the microphone stand. Again, this toy really looks good. The details are so awesome. And look at that bunny tail. Yeah. And the Flintstone dress. Very nice. Let's connect him into the base. This peg is square, so it has a particular position. Okay. Let's put on the mic. Okay, so the mic goes directly under the face of Bugs Bunny. Okay, very nice. Here's the jukebox. Let's put on the sticker. Okay, this is how the jukebox looks like after we put on the sticker. Nice jukebox. Look at that bird. Let's put the jukebox behind Bugs Bunny as per instruction. And let's move him forward. Nice. See how Bugs Bunny dance as he sings. Very nice toy. Okay, let's get the sixth toy. This is the last toy in this series. This time it's Lola Bunny as Wilma Flintstone, Dawn Star of Bedrock. This is how the toy should look like. Back view. So we have stickers again. Touch Lola Bunny into the base. Spin the vinyl continuously. And watch Lola Bunny dance like Wilma Flintstone. Nice. So far, these toys are so fun to play with. Okay, here's the turntable. Here are the stickers. And Lola Bunny. What a nice little white dress. Lola Bunny is really beautiful. Very nice. Okay, let's put on the stickers first on this turntable. So this is how the turntable looks like after we put on the stickers. Very nice turntable. Let's put on Lola into this base. Okay, here's Lola. And let's move the vinyl figure and see how Lola dance as Wilma Flintstone. Very cute. Nice. Come on, jiggle with it. These are very fun toys. I hope you like this, guys. Okay, this is the end of this video, guys. In case you're new to this channel and you like this kind of video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to see my future videos like this. If you have some questions, comments, or suggestions, or want more videos like this, please put it in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them and maybe make a video out of it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye, guys!